Yeah. You know about me. I said, yeah, man, what you know about me? What you know about me, nigga? Yeah. What you know about me? Man, I tell you a little something, homie. I do this shit, yeah, even when I'm lonely. Man, I do this shit, niggas looking crony. Man, I don't give a fuck eating macaroni. Eating good, man. I don't understand why these don't like me, man. But I keep going. No looking back, no repercussions, no sewing. Man, I keep it going like a poet. Man, I got the shit, I know it. Man, I spit the shit I wrote. But I'm coming off the throat. Yeah, I feel that looking coming. I don't give a fuck, niggas humming. Man, they want your neck, but I gotta show you respect. I be like, man, don't be looking for him. Man, he fucking crazy, man, he don't like them. He just be doing him, he don't want no trouble. He just trying to make his dreams come true and bubble. And be the man that his mama was talking about. And his daddy. Don't let me get started on that, man. Hey.
Don't let him get started. Don't let him get started. Family departed. Moved to another city, another state. Had to get it, had to move the weight.
Yeah.
Hey, but I ain't moved the weight, I bang the plate. That mean I hold down the fort. Hey, you's a bad bitch, so what's the sport? To a nigga like me, check like a Nike. Trying to make those, trying to create those perfect moments with the perfect opponents.
Yeah.
So I can rip them up, I can strip them up, hit them up, flip them up. Yeah. With that Thule though, it's a schoolie though.
Yeah.
I went to schoolie though.
Yeah.
Had a schoolie flow, real crazy flow,
Yeah.
real nasty flow. Ask me, ho.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I cared about it. God damn.
Shit.